Hi kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn numbers 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's learn some colors. These are all our color pencils. Let's learn the names. Red color, pink color, sky blue color, pink color, blue color, green color, yellow color, light green color and orange color. Let's draw numbers. Red color 1 ONE 1 ONE 1 Orange color 2 TWO 2 TWO 2 Yellow color 3 THREE 3 THREE 3 Sky blue color 4 FOUR 4 Light pink color 5 FIVE 5 FIVE 5 Light green color 6 SIX 6 Once again learning numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 Okay, bye kids.